Hi, my name is Pranita Anil Kalgankar. I am in 10th standard. I study in MS High School and I learn Ladkar Science Academy. I say thanks to Ladkar classes to give me a chance to develop my personality and express my talent. Today I explain what is an atom and what is an element. Element is a small part of matter or object. Three types of element. They are non-metal element, metal element, and radioactive elements. Other than these three types, elements are called metabolic element. The smallest part of an element is called atom. Atom has three contents: proton, neutron, and electron. Protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus. Electrons are present around the nucleus and present in the shell. Electrons are revolve around the nucleus. Protons are positively charged particles. Electrons are negatively charged particles and neutrons are electrically neutral. Green color indicates the electron, blue color indicates the proton and red color indicates the neutron. Blue color proton and red color neutrons are present in the nucleus and green color electrons revolve around the nucleus. Number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Therefore, atom is electrically neutral. In outermost shell of atom, there must be two electrons are present. Then this atom is electrically stable. In atom, there are K, L, M, N types of shell. Formula of counting the electrons in each shell is 2n square. In K shell, there is 2 electrons are present. Proton and neutron are present in the nucleus, so they are called nucleons. The atomic number is number of proton or number of electrons because they are equal. Atomic mass is fully concentrated at the nucleus of atom. Atomic mass is number of proton plus number of neutrons. The size of atom is determined by the radius of atom. Atomic radius is expressed in nanometer. For example, atomic radius of hydrogen in meter is 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Can you tell how the form compound? Compound are formed by the chemical attraction of different elements. For example, H2O means water. Now we see how the H2O is formed. In H2O there is two hydrogen and one oxygen are present. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and atomic number of oxygen is 8. Therefore, hydrogen has a one shell and oxygen has a two shell. If these two hydrogens are combined to each other, then make H2O because they have two electrons in its outermost shell, two stable. Then these two hydrogen combine with oxygen, then make H2O because oxygen have two electrons to get stable. Then make H2O means water. Thank you.